Elevated performance, cutting-edge technology, and a sleek style come together in the 2026 Lexus RZ 550EF Sport, an electric car that is sure to impress eco-conscious drivers and thrill seekers. The powerful 402 horsepower RZ 550EF Sport is derived from its direct 4 dual-motor all-wheel drive technology. This configuration matches F-Sport's performance-oriented philosophy by providing a dynamic driving experience with quick acceleration and responsive handling. The addition of the interactive manual drive system is a notable feature in the RZ 550EF Sport. By mimicking the feel of an 8-speed manual gearbox, this cutting-edge system lets the driver shift digitally through ratios with the flick of a wrist. By coordinating acceleration and deceleration with immersive auditory feedback, the technology improves the driving experience, making it feel more like a classic internal combustion engine car. Eliminating the mechanical link between the steering wheel and the front wheels, Lexus has installed a steer-by-wire system in the RZ 550EF Sport. Steering is both precise and responsive thanks to this system's electrical controls that analyze driver input. An optional yoke-style steering wheel complements this technology. It works in tandem with the variable steering ratio to lessen the amount of hand-to-hand movement required, making the ride more comfortable and easy to operate. An upgraded 77 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery pack powers the RZ 550EF Sport, a substantial advance over its predecessor. To strike a balance between performance and the practicality needed for everyday driving, this improvement contributes to an expected range of about 280 miles, 450 kilometers, on the WLTP cycle. Distinctive 20-inch aerodynamic wheels, front and rear spoilers, a lower bumper molding, and brake ducts give the RZ 550EF Sport its distinctive appearance. The combination of form and function is further reinforced by these characteristics, which not only make the car look sportier, but also help it be more aerodynamic. The cabin of the RZ 550EF Sport is designed with the driver's needs in mind, with top-notch materials and F-Sport exclusive details. The cockpit exudes an air of performance with its sport seats, aluminum pedals, and unique black and gray color scheme accented with blue stitching. With today's cutting-edge entertainment and connectivity choices, both drivers and passengers may stay entertained and informed all day long. In the electric car market, Lexus has shown its dedication to innovation with the 2026 RZ 550EF Sport. If you want an electric driving experience without compromising on comfort or involvement, it's a great pick because to its potent performance, innovative technology, and elegant design.